The answers feel shallow, repetitive, sometimes even disappointing. But what if the real problem isn't the AI at all? What if the issue is how we interact with it? The problem. Every day, people ask AI short, unclear questions and expect deep, intelligent answers. They type a sentence, press enter, and hope the system understands exactly what they mean. When the result feels generic, frustration builds. But AI doesn't think like a human. It doesn't infer intent. It doesn't read between the lines. It only works with what it's given. How AI really works. AI systems operate on probability. They analyze patterns, context, and structure to predict the most likely useful response. To stay reliable and safe, they avoid strong assumptions, speculation, or risky interpretations. That's why answers often sound neutral. Not because the system lacks intelligence, but because it is designed to minimize errors. This design choice protects accuracy, but it can also limit depth. The real problem isn't intelligence, it's communication. Most users provide very little context, yet expect highly detailed, personalized results. AI can't read your thoughts. It can only respond to what you actually provide. When prompts are vague, the output becomes generic. This isn't a failure, it's feedback. The fix. The moment you add structure, everything changes. Clear goals, clear boundaries, clear expectations. Instead of asking, can you help me with this? Try something like, give me 3 practical strategies to improve this, assuming I have limited time and basic knowledge. That one change alone dramatically improves the quality of the response. The Shift AI doesn't replace thinking. It supports it. When used correctly, it becomes a powerful thinking partner, not a shortcut, not a replacement. The quality of the output will always reflect the quality of the input. Closing AI isn't getting worse. We're just learning how to use it better. And once that clicks, everything changes.